Okay, we've all been riding motorbikes and we all know you run out of skin at times when you fall down. They're not so much an elbow guard, but it's more of a crash and you slide along the ground, and it's more of a forearm thing. So back when we did the race team, we used to give guys like Glenn Carney, he was a beauty, used to run out of forearms a bit here and there, and it affected us, so we started developing something way back in the race team days. But these things are pretty simple, and that's what the beauty is about. Arm pump is a big issue with forearm elbow guards, so these are taking a different approach to everything else. Normally a elbow guard or forearm guard connects here and here, and people hate that for arm pumps. So this is all about the not doing that. This is my version. These things are trimmable to fit. You can even cut them down to the kids. I like them about that big. I take a little bit off, but basically it's as simple as this. It just goes around. You can see these ones here, it's the same, this is just the bigger version. And they do have a thing here where you can connect them also to a glove. So this goes onto here, and then this goes back on over there, and it stops them coming up. They don't come up too bad anyway, but it's just an extra thing. You can take it off if you don't want it. But yeah, it's all about having that protection and no arm pump. So you'll take them off even at the end of the process. You can have them under your jersey or on top of your jersey. People have probably seen me with them on the outside sometimes, but when they're under the jersey, you can take the jersey off and you go, "What's that?" And you just realise you had them on. But it's yeah, they're very light. That's the secret, and protect those forearms. They're one of the first things that you're going to lose skin on.